rainbow daisy chains. So, we need these strips of paper. We need glue, scissors. So first step, you take a piece of construction paper and 1, 2, 3. Cut it. Red construction paper, orange construction paper, yellow construction paper, green construction paper, blue construction paper, I already did it right. And purple construction paper, but you don't need pink. So, here's what we gotta do with the glue. So, we are making circles. Now we're taking a strip and putting it through, then making another circle. That's what we're doing, okay? So, take your glue and glue. Okay, here we have our red strip with glue on it. Now we sort of like bent one of the sides and stick that one with glue on. So you might want to hold it for a little bit, and if you want, you can count to 20 or 10. That way the glue dries, that way you can move on. So let's do our ones now. So first step of what we are doing, glue it. Next step, put it through the circle. And I know what you're thinking, but no, we're not making a bracelet. We're making a chain, a daisy chain. And same thing we did with the red circle. But you do it a little different. Easy. Okay, so this one this is the thing that I said, doing something for fun. So here's what we gotta do. Glue. And then put this through the red. And then put this through the blue. And then same thing, but a tiny bit different. Okay, since that fell, we are starting over. Back. And so there you have it. And if you want to, you can make it like a bracelet or necklace or a garland for party decorations. Like we made this super long chain. Oh, and if you have any questions, ask me. Hit the bell for notifications and press like, share, and bye-bye. And voila! What?